Most cleaning service business struggle with Google Ads. And this is a very common problem when running Google Ads, especially in competitive service industries. But in one of our recent campaign, we started getting qualified leads within first week. The reason we get results quickly for any campaign is simple. We don't guess, we target high intent searches only. And this video, I'll show you how we did that, and you can also do the same. And the first thing we do before launching any campaign is keyword research. In order to do that, all you need to do is log into your Google Ad account and click on the tool icon on left sidebar, and you will get the keyword research tool inside of it. We have a few options here, like entering keywords, choosing specific location, using website for getting a bunch of keyword ideas for any specific location. To fast forward this video, I had prepared a few keywords which I'm gonna use now. After clicking on creating a new campaign, we will choose our campaign objective as lead, and we will choose the specific conversion action that will count as conversion. After choosing the campaign goals, we will choose our campaign time. Now it's time to choosing the bidding method. Google has two major bidding methods, automatic bidding and manual bidding. In other words, you can hyper control your campaign bidding, or you can let the algorithm do the work for you. But almost for every client, we start with maximize conversion. That's how we are telling Google we are bidding for maximum conversion. At this stage, we have to configure a few core settings in our campaign. First, as you can see, some checkboxes are automatically enabled in network section. First one means whether you giving permission to show your ads to Google Search Partner Network, and another is showing ads based on people interest on display network. Here is most advertisers make mistake unconsciously. If you left this option enabled, your search campaign will become a black box. So always uncheck them. Now we will choose the exact location we want to advertise. For this campaign, I'll target in Canberra, and we will always go for present audience. On the next section, we get to see an option for enabling AI Max, which is basically let the algorithm do the stuffs based on your landing page. We are not going to use that since we don't have enough conversion data. Next, let's move to keywords and ad group structure. Instead of consolidating everything in one ad group, always segment ad group based on service. For example, I would segment ad groups for house cleaning service, office cleaning service, commercial cleaning. This helps improve ad relevance and quality score. Also, make sure to use phrase match and exact match keywords only. Otherwise, your ad will be shown for keywords you don't want to target and can cause of losing ad spend. Now, we will write ad copies that focus on serious customers, not just clicks. For example, create ad copies that are relevant to your keywords. Always include strong call to action. Mention if you have any fixed prices. This type of messaging works extremely well because it sets clear expectations. After filling out the ad copies, you will have to set a daily amount you want to spend. For me, I'm going to use $50 per day. Now you have launched a campaign and you started generating leads. What next? Here comes the most important part, optimization. After running the campaign for a few days, we start analyzing the data, like monitoring search term daily, pausing low performing keywords, shifting budget towards to high performing audiences. This is exactly how we improve campaign performance and reduce ad spend. If you follow the exact process, you won't just get leads, you will get qualified leads at lower cost over time. If you are already running Google Ad campaign but not getting qualified leads, there might be a gap in targeting and optimization. We can audit your campaign and show you how to fix that. That's all for this video. If you have any queries, you can comment on the comment section. We'll see you in next video. Till then, goodbye.